from Group 6. I will explain about science and technology in human life. First of all, I'll explain you about the definition of science and technology. Science came from the English word science, means knowledge. Science is facts, information, and skill acquired by a person through experience or education. The theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. Science is a unit consisting of four elements that are interrelated by interrelation, the relationship that exists between these four elements. At first term, science was only intended for natural science, which is the study of natural phenomena. Technology. Technology is the result of the application of science in which its development, in addition to being related to the development of science, is also related to the development of human or community needs. The use of technology by humans first begins with the conversion of natural resources into simple tools to second, communication, and enabled humans to communicate on a global scale. Third, development of large weapons. The relationship between science and technology. For example, between chemistry as a basic of science and kerosene mining technology.
Next is about matter and energy. According to the expert explanation, the correlation of matter and energy is very transformation of matter always followed by transformation of energy. According to Hayward, 1990, matter anything which occupies space and has mass. For example, organism like human being, animal, plant, iron, water, air, and etc. Since 2000 years ago, many people ask about where does matter come from? But the question can be answered that the matter comes from most substance which can separate to be simple substance. Matter has two characteristics. First is about the internal characteristic and external characteristic. Internal characteristic, which cannot be affected by external things, for example, boiling point, melting point, density, and etc. Second is about the external characteristic, which come from external impact such as volume, weight. And to write and distinguish the name of substance, we need atom symbols such as N for nitrogen, H for hydrogen, Ni for nickel, F for fluor, Na for natrium, V for ferrum, R for argon, P for phosphor, Ag for argentum, C for carbon, Al for aluminium, Ca for calcium, Mg for magnesium, Cl for chlor, O2 for oxygen, and Cd for cadmium.
Next, we will talk about energy. And the word energy comes from the Greek language ergon, which means work. Energy is something that allows all things, both living and non-living, to do work, effort, or activities in this world. Energy is important for a human being. There are two types of energy. First is non-renewable or natural resources. Second is renewable or alternative sources. For non-renewable or natural resources, there are are solar and petroleum. Alternative energy. First, potential. Potential energy is possessed by an object at a certain place or position. Second, kinetic. Kinetic energy is possessed by an object because of its shift or speed. Third is mechanic. Mechanic energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Sound energy is produced by the vibration of air particles around a sound source. Light energy is produced by electromagnetic waves. Thermal energy that occur due to the internal movement or particles compiller in an object. Chemical energy that's stored in chemical compounds or produced the chemical interaction of chemical reaction. Nuclear is the energy that produced from a splitting or core reaction. Save the usage of non-renewable energy and look for other alternatives as renewable energy is the way how to save the energy.
You